Hi everyone, wishing all my lovely mascots, my beautiful children, a very, very happy Women's Day. Wishing all my lovely girls, bright, beautiful, courageous and smart, a very happy Women's Day. All my super amazing boys, wishing your mothers and your sisters, wishing your terrific friends, wishing everybody in your family a very happy Women's Day. Although I'm not really for the idea of wishing men, women, mothers, fathers, brothers, lovers, or anybody for that matter on a single day, it truly shows, it truly should mean if you wish them every single day and if your actions are louder than your words. But for many years, unfortunately, in South Asia, to be specific, out of everybody who's born a human with certain capacity and potential, some of us who are born females had to face, or some of us who are born women had to face, let me say, a little disparity or maybe unequalness, and that needed a special day to celebrate and to empower these young women. I have reached a certain stage in my life where I truly feel I've come a long way, where I feel that I've reached a certain point in my life where I could maybe hold a position of inspiration, a position of maybe aspiration for so many young minds in our country. And today, on this very special occasion, all that I want to tell everyone, immaterial of whether you're a boy or girl, because it's Women's Day especially to women, is believe in yourself. Every one of us, because of the sheer fact that we are a human, are born with potential, are born with immense ability and capability to make sure that we reach our dreams. It comes at a cost. The cost is consistency of hard work, of dedication, devotion, discipline. And then when you decide to do something, and if you give your heart and soul to it, then truly no one in this entire world can stop you, because you become a force and you become unstoppable. Also, to all the boys and girls out there, the future citizens of this great country, the future of our beautiful country, I want you to become responsible. There are times that you will see inequality. There are times that you will see injustice. There are times that you will see something and you will know in your heart that this is not right. This is not something that should be happening. Those times, I want you to raise your voice. Don't think you're alone. Every single one of us who's at one point raised his or her voice against inequality and injustice has had to face societal wrath or has had to face immense resistance. But sooner or later, there will, whatever you decide to do, it will turn into a movement. You will often have people who believe in you, who agree with what you're saying and fighting for, and they will join and make it a movement. I also urge you, boys and girls, whether it is any kind of injustice that you see. It could be for children, it could be for men, it could be for women, it could be for anything. I want you to raise your voice, because it is on your strong and square shoulders that we will do nation building. It is on your shoulders that my beautiful motherland India will move ahead. So not only for women on this Women's Day, pledge yourself that you will stand up for anything that you feel is wrong. You should have the courage and the conviction to believe in what is right and stand up for things which are not right. Girls, especially to you, when you feel oppressed, and I'm sure there will be countless times when you will feel sad, you will feel victimized, you will feel oppressed, you will feel stifled. Somebody will try to shut down your voice. Somebody will treat you in a way which is not just, which is not right. Somebody will make you feel less. It could be with boys as well. But more so if it happens with girls, I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to show that quiet confidence. I want you to be assertive and stand up for what is rightfully yours. Trust me when I say this, there is no better time than the 21st century to be truly born a woman and a girl. And let's together, and you know what, my dear children, if there is something which I truly learned from your generation, is how kind you are, how beautifully you cope up with all that is, not normal. Our generation took a lot of time to cope up with so many things which which did not, which did not really come as normal to the rational mind. But be it interfaith marriages, be it getting married for love, or be it standing up for your career choices, which are not the regular career choices at times, be it running after your aim, be it something as I don't know if it's an educational channel, should I even be talking about Article 370, but all of these things are youth driven. All of these things are voices of change. All of these things talk about a new India, and all of you make me believe, make me hope, make me so positive that the new India that we are building together is going to be dynamic, is going to be beautiful, and is going to be so equal and so just. So this Women's Day, my lovely kids, boys and girls, every single one, saluting you, saluting the way you come out of a difficult situation and still not give up, because it is on your shoulders. Like I always say, that we will develop, we will make a new India which we are all so proud of. So here's, I'm sure in all your lives, your mothers have played a very important role. So here's saluting your mothers for giving the best possible kids to be Biotonic. And here's to each one of you, to that one strong woman in your life who totally changed the way you look at life altogether. So here is me wishing you a very happy Women's Day. Take care, stay blessed, and stay as dynamic, as beautiful, as open, as kind, as imaginative, and as absolutely fabulous you all are. Bye bye. Take care.